In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 2nd of November 2021 and the day would be Tuesday. Now let's look at Nifty. It made a bounce back from the low. If you see the low, which is around 17,600, from there it made a gap up and then sustained the gap and closed near or just above the previous high. Now 18,000 is going to be a resistance. If it crosses this high of 18,000, then you can buy with 25 point stop loss and 18,400 would be the target. That is more than 1:4, 1:5 risk reward ratio. And if you look at this Telegram channel, the premium Telegram channel, which you can join by opening any account with our referral, you can see that I clearly mentioned that Nifty on October 29th. I clearly mentioned that Nifty and Bank Nifty may create bottom today and go up. So may go with long with strict SL. And if you have done this, those who have done it is now in good profit with a very small stop loss, which we can trail today. But if tomorrow fresh positions are being built, then you can come down to 1 hour chart and you can see that there is a trend line kind of thing is building up where it can face resistance and then come down. But you can get this point, and if it crosses this high, then 18,400 level can come, 18,500, 600 level can also come in after Diwali. So tomorrow immediately, if you take the position that I have said on the 1 day chart, now this was a breakout and it is consolidating. So if it crosses this high, you can buy, and the buy is based on 1 day candle. It is above 18,000, and you can keep your stop loss here, which is around 25 to 30 point stop loss, and you can keep a 25 point stop loss and trail it accordingly. So that could be a good trade setup. You can see there is another trend line, and if it crosses this low, then in small quantity we can short with the trend line as a target. Now looking at Bank Nifty, you can see that Bank Nifty also tested the low of 38,400, and from there it closed above the previous high. And if this high is crossed, you can keep a 60 point stop loss and you can go long with 41,000 and higher level in mind for positional setup, and 60 point stop loss or this low. And if Bank Nifty consolidates within this low and breakout, then you can find more target on the upside. So coming to 1 hour chart, you can see that there is also a trend line kind of formation is being built, and Bank Nifty, if it consolidates here, may face resistance and then goes up, then the target could be big on the upside. Now for immediate tomorrow on 15-minute chart, you can see that this could be the stop loss, which is around 60 to 80 points. So for positional, for target of 1:3 or more, 1:4, 1:5 target, this could be the 40,400, the first target, and above that 41,000 could be the target for positional. So if it goes up in a flow, this trend line is being built. So tomorrow, if it crosses this trend line, then you can go short for the target of 39,400 on the downside. And you can see that this is a kind of a wedge pattern and it is given a breakout on the upside. The first stock is PVR formation or neckline star formation, and now it's consolidating with a tweezer top. And if it crosses this high, then you can buy with 10 point as stop loss, and 1:2 could be the target for intraday. And a trend line is being built. So the trend line, you can trail the stop loss or you can place a stop loss on the trend line itself. This could be a good stop loss. The next stock is TCS. you can see that it made a good bullish formation. And if you consider a trend line, then it broke, and now with a neckline star formation, it already gave the target. And now if it crosses this high again, then we can go long, as there will be momentum in the stock. So this candle high, you can go long above. So that is above 3487, you can buy TCS with 10 to 12 point stop loss, because if it goes up, it will go in a flow, and this could be the stop loss, and target would be 1:2 on the upside. The next stock is Manappuram Finance. Now you can see that this is a great fall, and from there, without much of a retracement, it made inside candle and then fell. Now it broke the trend line and fell again. So if this crosses, then we can see good fall below 193. You can keep only 1 to 2 point stop loss, and 1:2 is the minimum target. You can also even get 1:3 target on the intraday itself. The next stock is Cadillac, and you can see that there is a consolidation and fell, and now it is consolidating again. So if this low is taken out, then you can go short below 500, which is also a round level or a psychological support. If it breaks, then there could be a good fall, and with 3 point stop loss, you can aim for 1:2 target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.